comes to production and recording itself, no, the function of the studio, no one I be an answer one for almost to take in charge of Nema Bimau.
Oh, okay. It will be first time I ultimate Khendibeatz. Me still only doing the Khendibeatz slaughterhouse or I'm a Kuma for Quanta side. So yeah, recording yum, or your bonyum, and said the number of sick and who's a studio Juman Angasano. It will munchichemu.
Yeah,
you were the Bobo beat you or the very record over her. The way guy they were direct to, and the way make stars and max that. But Mishaka the master meeting na do.
Okay,
but over Baba 2 bit to say be a paluta other boys in about.
Mm-hmm.
It will be Baba 2 will be an ultimate na dream.
Yeah,
and as ultimate side the STBB. Now I say on a collective of ideas. Yeah, and a deal juba.
All right, that's very nice. Okay, slaughterhouse nintinase. We some slaughter beating. All right, that was just by the way. So Kendi, let me ask this. I would love to, and you said TF42 would love to, your fans will also love to know how on a normal good day it's like for Kendi. On a normal good day, and fans say Kendi Asoriano. But let's take today for instance. Mm-hmm. How did your day begin? I started saying for you.
Oh, okay. CCA no met me answer from angle say CCA the pressure na from kakra.
Okay.
But a human angle say oh sorry before say obe update you story cry no. Senior my song, Bozu my song, and pressure uncle. And son I be our check you full say maintenance be was oh yeah studio pra life no. And son I be our WhatsApp studio Rex. We were studio angasa kwhwehwe adwuma was say oh yeah. Emu akesefo mu nketua obi eni abre
yeah
ni nyina pressure no go so and just imagine okay anopa YP we ba anopa up fresh energy
yeah
bia paluta be bia be for and also fresh energy maybe our Christmas be balance or also
fresh energy
it's no enye easy sir ni nyina so also more positive energy na humanity because
yeah
until what you imagine if I go for what to baby back will be about be but also deliver good whether nipano or bow whether or so midday and that's why na a brew kakra till say bia booking semi from kakra na say bia me say okay and dey my menjima I dey say me jema home sana
okay. All right. It's true because your call with socials, even Google panel, it tells Ubio studio 11 o'clock. I was like, when I said like, hey, when I score no be in a Juma 11 o'clock. But then I also reason to see say a Juma no non-term mostly some of them get their vibe.
5
yeah.
5.
Yeah. Yeah.
I was squeezing still now say meeting will be the following day.
You made mention of some few people. Let's stick to a more show no. That is YP them so okay so one Palutamo. Let's take your creative process with these guys. As you said, YP would like to come in the morning. Okay, say try to come in the evening. Paluta will try come around 4. How does your process start with these people? Say, everyone say, let's take Paluta for example. And I say YP for example. Let me take YP. I think we've discussed Paluta before, so let's take YP. Sure. How does the process start? Is it say you keep sending beat to YP on a daily basis, then he then choose back on say okay, Kendi, Ochinameba studio may I record it? And I say it's more like Oba studio, Charlie, what's the vibe? Then it goes. How is your creative process with YP looking like?
Okay, with YP, you know, also know a rapper, right?
Yeah.
And you know, sometimes for the beat ba, other producers be sending the beats. Now I have vibe.
Okay.
A been so ha, mess me to minya vibe. Now they are sending no. A been so to minya vibe and you be recorded that. And I will say a sample beat in the bond for song like Salamatu and Sanenyum no Mukwi or something.
Mukwi.
Yeah, so I don't know the Salamatu beat in the boy.
Oh, okay.
There's a Salamatu.
Hey.
I know the year, you know, now I say me Bob beat for. The same vocal at the same time. It's no say, you know, I heard transition now on to Salamatu beat in Poor Mukwi.
Okay.
So now your other process back on no.
Okay.
And the games also no.
That is when or no natural vibe nini beats are back. Then there should be
no beat that so that and also you vocals no. Now go beat for different but the same vibe, the same key. Into Ayana before like a crowd.
And that means from the vocal it means that he wouldn't come back to do the vocals again.
Now baby.
Oh, actually, I guess
ready.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Ejuma do na good producers and some more. Yeah, and again so no me producers so me side me envision style be say okay bro up our style yenye sound way enye bad cry. So song like Akoshi cause ye ka wapi was to say Akoshi oyi Akoshi sound nyom no yeah ba Akoshi and we say as o sing as o sing as yes. So I was just testing his vocal no say o sing yeah ebe sound the same.
Okay.
And I know so a picky walk. So you see it from there and also from the side. Now also I'm also the share. Yeah, Jumano.
Okay.
And sana other verses so being no very recorded verse and I make say vocals, you know. So if it's I think it's 3 years coming there by PYC be anywhere from him.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. There've been interviews, and as a Fear Crime interview, I asked about your talk, which you mentioned, say the Time album. I don't know if I'm mistaken with the album title. Yeah. It's Time, right?
Yeah, Time.
Yeah. You worked on most of the songs. Basically, you worked on everything.
Sure.
How was the process? Was it say moko baby a month? And I'm just asking based on say you'll be about Honum to work on a collective project, let's say an EP or an album. How is the process like? Is it some baby for 1 month, more then back to back till some be and I say it falls in between the lines. Multi record the other artists like production do see Amaya under Khendibeatz there. I feel it's cool to put them together as an EP or an album. Let's take your talk as an example. How did it work out?
Oh, okay. Genuinely, no. Unze they all can say nipano body of work.
Yeah.
Ever get it done. So obi ne strategy or the enya. Obi wo ho beti make say okay, me record 3 songs or Khendibeatz, me record 3 songs or Apia, me record songs or I say.
Yeah.
Obi susu wo ho be ka say okay, na ebia bro, eni gwe ni hu nyina nkomo. Ebe si saying ni atete so na ya ejuma.
Okay.
Okay. Obi susu wo ha, and normal ye nyom. It's no do baby I no afeli say okay, me person me drop album when my me hwe me songs na mo na me select him. So all these angles.
Yeah.
I will hope for that. And somebody like yeah talk say, yeah, me know like 40 unreleased songs.
Wow.
Many this year, the last time I recorded about 2 years with me about. I don't cramp no.
For and a 40 go.
40 go.
Interesting.
Yeah. Oh, Joe boy munyina de dasu. When I say bia and cram.
Opemsuo.
Yeah, so I am a question to you say ni nam between the writing camp and yene Malcolm Nuna Mone other artists nibi.
Okay.
Go more Central Region Accra. Near no so ya. Inti no e bia hustle e nya nyom be 5 and 4. Ya be fi e no so ya record kakra ya ko ha say inti no. Ye fele say okay, who's on so no empire na e adwuma, right?
Yeah.
Inti o mutimi ga say okay, bia o contract no is about to remix EP or an album. It's no yeah, and him say okay, we know we him. So whatever we doing biano, it drew her and a bar on him so okay, and select we find you way. Yes, select we find you way.
Okay.
So university.
Yeah.
Hantage my ana koye individual but nim name say when available and dance songs.
Okay. Yembrenity, I would like us to jump straight away into a more upcoming events are more planning to bring these creatives together and have such a beautiful event which will be happening on the 13th of June and the 14th of June. By editing home common, I think it will bring up some of my questions. Yeah, I know sure. So I wanted to buy near me up to be Road to Stardom.
Yeah, Sound to Stardom.
Sound to Stardom.
Yeah.
And which is happening on the 13th of June and the 14th of
it's a 2 days.
June. 2 days event. My first question, I wouldn't even go why you guys came together to do this, but my first question would be, so be 8 no Nikumase, and he will be coming for such an event. One who says, this man baby that is going to be 2 days, and I say, the person needs to find his own way out, baby or better, no, I make it time just to fall in between time and best schedule for the event.
Oh, okay. My say program now can say Sound to Stardom.
Okay.
Yeah, no, this coming weekends, yeah. It's so be future, but unse we nangasa na program, and yet to say be I don't know, camp vibe be or something. No, it's no be future, but I remember when they say we are volume 1 because we have other plans for that.
Yeah.
Akwe volume 1 the value of Adena open, and I said the Benyano. No, on invest kakra before Sani logistics side.
Okay.
You know, with rate na edge, you know, or no say wait on a discount, so
okay.
Sunyane boys baby, but I can't Sunyane had the you know. I think say almost a mom discount kakra. Yeah.
You mentioned when you were making a submission about your talk on movement, Moko writing company at the day.
Sure.
As you said, event here that is sound to stardom. Is it going to be more of like a writing camp thing you are talking about? How is it going to be like for you kakra and for you kakra because we want to be there?
Oh, for sure. I would say this program nangasano may basically for me should answer with human mechanics, right? But
Okay.
the few experience I mean, I'm a metimini artist be blue. I Juma I drew a trade.
Yeah.
I think say it's high time I may be minion I'm upcoming and I say ubi or any biano key be because if you say a key, you're more key ombre.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, so this program I got some year betre a dear kakra. Abanyama or my dream so.
Okay.
And my margin was on the airline to more. Now I feel the or put into practice. Now I recording you. Now you release it. So basically this is the thing. And just imagine say obi to say Kempaluta.
Mm-hmm.
Now all show the reality of a human.
Yeah. It will make a lot of sense.
Yes, once you are the same day or you make the book online and on the side of a human or but Omo Mudina Park and also edge so and also move too far. You know how a city is.
Yeah.
About that. Until a phrase anyway about Sanya Manumano. You see how to say a world woman.
Yeah.
As an artist and a producer. Obviously then I survive it and as a Sanya Manumano. Seven nebeka and I saw a artist. Nyama and I said dear Nidina was a Oshe.
Yeah.
And who here one son, the Akanaba. You understand?
Opemsuo.
Yes, I am winning a program never was there. So you learn, you create,
You record.
sure.
All right. So I feel no Ajibre 80 high Opemsuo 104.7. Any Khendibeatz and I train Komo. Khendibeatz the 26th Vodafone Ghana Music Awards producer of the year winner, which happened in the year 2025. Yeneno and I train Komo towards on it TubhaniMuzik. I joining hands on mode sound to stardom. Bre yengina as creative for us to be there. And basically he's trying to let us understand they want to impact what they've learned on the field to others also a person who told this line. Then at the same time together they could create something together. Oh, talking about creation, let me move there. There've been an instant, I think Paluta was on that song. And I don't really remember the details because I think artist Merefin Kakra. But the song was produced by Miraculous. And an artist came out say, then Miraculous had to come out to explain, say, beat now toy one ton exclusively. Then later the artist who featured Paluta came to buy the beat exclusive.
Okay.
What producer? I think Sanyama we idea and Crophobia and I'm so it's me by social media with the little knowledge they have. So Obi Riamenyum happened to be a friend of Beat Master.
Sure.
Paluta released a give up and see. He was on live which I chanced on and was talking about the fact that Paluta mafa the artist binyum. Mutin SMBC education ben ade be mu bi o abontin for them to know the difference between so my online my download the Khendibeatz and I say me coin or make a crowd on my 300 cedi 400 cedi 600 but I don't yeah and chemu ben ade be ma because I know such education will go on during more camp but at least for what the meaning no yeah educate you kakra
well to say first one now can say Obi koto beat na later to say big artist be using the beat no.
Yeah.
So if you say any beat na nipa na to no. So ni nyina ana akoye nkomodi adwuma we no say that we can your artist left side of adwuma no.
Yeah.
It no hwade o. Me more me nya sure say me kai say about free beat and I say free beat at online that.
Okay.
So every beat there about bonti be exclusive.
Okay.
Artist in pen they use it. Right?
Okay.
Say oh beto beat no to say be a Miraculous say na say okacho say beat no or turn 300 cedis and I say who knows obusa na say agudi awudi I mean can sir
yeah because so, online terms and conditions so
sure also I'm parking kind so niggas name parking kind because when you show say sa package na e basa yo say hwenka ho because
it's our form
yes into no also who say senka beat here ne dia
yeah
I didn't know be upload here no so e call ni nyina ka ho a what am sound to stardom now ti ejuma na se no who
Exactly.
say it no with no sa no you different types of it, exclusive rights, any premium ne sa nyama no ti nipa no osua about data obo hu say okay you bit wo am lease no obi fufo so beti me use bi the same bit na be attempts be can but say obi this ka kese beto full copyright na ono ne own ntina aya na akoye say online frictions e koso it no also munya hu nim dia asa na bi o maka ho asem and again it's na all ka say bia obi beat akoso obi beat ne sa nyama sampling of stuff no creativity there me can say sa na happen because I tell you me na me ball sa called the paluta nyam no give up me there's no single day you could see obi nyam say tap inspiration be or something just say I happen say Asia and if you listen now who say difference crowd but you know
it means what
me but you know idea so only
I guess on for us in the HA. No, personally, I've had an encounter like that. Me need to bani nanko hakra would have liked us to dive into that issue. So we did a production for Pono any air rap maker some time ago. And there were a lot of people in the studio. So we were planning of putting medical on the song. The medical ba kumasi na ye kobo enyum ne wo hono. Then an artist reached out to Tubhani say area nenyum. Some of these things. And you know, as you said, the reason why you need to go to sound to stardom is for you to understand certain what's leasing, what's exclusive, what's a premium, as Kendi was saying. Ningina has its own meaning or so ever. Yenra sound to stardom and more kakra.
Sure.
I've seen pictures the other people who will be passing through. Initially I thought it was going to be producers and artists alone, but I've seen industry people like Mr. Bones, I've seen other speakers Omokahu. I know it's going to be 2 days. On the first day, what are we going to do? Then on the second day, what are we going to do? Is it that on the first day we're going to have a seminar? Then on the second day we are going to do our recordings.
Oh well, so you see the motto is learn, record and create.
Yeah.
So first day, ebe about teachings, right?
Okay.
Ebe about teachings, Kasa, omo I say ye more there to kutukum.
Yeah.
Ye be okay na odia nam.
Yeah.
So it's not basically say ebia 2 days no di be sound engineering and 2 days no di be
and
good. Obeti agrona wood in us.
Yeah.
Now how obesi I go about it ya church room nti wo kono nim say okay me copy bit say okay me upcoming say miniska okay right now I'm teaching bit any copyright say nti mefa bia online bit miniska me kwakoto bit nti mefa online bit me say okay copyright name am nti me cost us it then I will just play around Audio Mac, YouTube and TikTok. And I am a copyright into any music at meet my artist. Later, minya investor be an aso be away more. Now, if my be a premium rights, and as I say, to whom are good, So just imagine that Mr. Bones or the artist be an or dear Juman Church or the experience never too for.
Yeah.
Paluta bet now over two from the experience.
Yeah.
Bet now, okay, so one will be about two from how Mujina grown him. So you say, oh, share the uncle for winning, and they say, be a Jumano, or no life for being a dear Mobasi. It is I say, skin you two for. But also with you, because we drew,
yeah.
You understand? It's program Nangas on the first day, never teachings, Now, if you what I say, we are not second day, I am recording because there are 3 different setups. It produces baby beba, miraculous beba, appear beats beba, Nkofo bebre ebeba it is all checking me page I will who more pass it through then second day na be recording nti no no ha enyum no say e bi ebeche mu motere and I say groups na ebeche mu no
okay
enyum bia mo be kweti bia the superstar ba ko beto so ama
all right
we are na dropping in to say album and I say EP or something so basically saying it 2 day first day for lectures and second day for practicals
Okay, Kendi, that's it. Yeah, but we'll be going on the phone to speak to Tubhani. I think he had a bit of issues into when Timia in our studio. Sure. He was supposed to be part of this interview. Tubhani was supposed to be part of this interview, but we're going to reach him on phone. Just have a 2-minute conversation with him. But before I go to Tubhani, Kendi, you won't come. I can't be part of this event. And where is the location at?
Program near no Steeman Height.
Okay.
That's a man so yeah.
Okay.
It is over joining your number our page you know so. Yeah. So
okay.
So member bonds so.
Bobo my wadarma.
Over to me after 0545 30 4612 0545 30 4612 into what friend number where I never book you for all slot you know. Then no mama BB or something I'm doing my own.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. As I said, you need to buy the come just a minute. Now I add in the thoughts. So be it you, Kendi, CCA. Just give me one reason here. Obekachan say he should join the sound to stardom now.
Well, I don't know. Nipana say the diocese say or the new and I say music business ne be make here. I think say on me. I'm just having 4 years experience in the game. It you know, or the on shame now, only need that was there, or the no bomb me ever fat. When was asked that? So they are join it's like that. My baby beer will be on.
Okay, but Kendi, Mami Musa, you're not the right person to ask, but you see, Palutaba news in over the UK show where in some babont means one baby I'm free. As somebody close to him, as I'm the babont, did you ever say something to him? And what did you tell him?
Oh, sir, but no, young kid. Tiana me trust any day I say who oh training papa Opemsuo in the year serious
it's part of Sanya man.
It's part of the game. So.
All right, yenya TubhaniMuzik ewo FDN so Tubhani
hey I will have more fine tell me now the way you look at me but the beneding me guy elite na me na yenya call na.
All right, Nyame adom ye ho ye ni nyina aka adwuma no, and we respect the fact say why to me and at least you looked out for another option for us to have a conversation because of your TF4. But to ban quick one, we just have 5 minutes now. Yeah, time now so. Then we say Nyame adom on the 13th and 14th of June, yeah, which is I think Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday. Sorry, yeah. More have what we call the Sound to Stardom event, which more a team, you know, learn, create, and record. What are my dihu komo kakra ma etie for any candy dihu komo bebre wa che de ntia say man for bomb home modina almost 2,000 Ghana cedis to be part of this Jumadi. But from your side, what would we tell people and inti omembra Jumadi anyway?
Mr. Stretch here for studio. Me say the can am each character and I'm at it I'm original movie I can tell mommy. Sound to start from yeah, artists now mobile producers no mobile. I'm almost a songs near there. So go on my when you do money you but on what I say.
Yeah.
And I will give you more than 10 years.
Yeah.
Can you say or bear one share about what obviously our points again you know the idea about who is
Akwadanya me.
Oh, yeah, did you see the high key? The say, knowledge na here one, you do uncle, what you are not man of them in which it is just that I don't know what I just give it to you. Because you want to say, this new star, there they are at some point. There what I mean, crying about we are best time what they are made them out.
Yeah.
We are trying to help out the young ones, especially the producers and the musicians. And musicians, we now feel that you know,
yeah.
You need now, and yes, I did celebrity better than Kahama. I'm one night. I could say, one of my big side behind sharing your mother.
Yeah.
If you need to what's
Tubhani wadama online break obit match ya kakra na wasa CD o kan ni so bi mama ya.
Yeah, me say yeah. Say Juma we no party say am to make it.
Yete on kai pa.
Big boys, who are big boys behind you, Juma da. What I say. It's Esana, o need to idea, man, but say, Obasa to start my Aluta Beba, Strong Beba, Vice Babu, Katawan, and YP, Oseikrom, we are allowed to them, what I say.
Yeah.
Who are appointed to recording hit songs?
Yeah. All right. Matthias, yepa. Tubani, Juma di ebeko so or him for date in the say on the 13th and 14th.
Because it was 3 man high. Oh.
Okay.
And I say now, on the 13th, a summit. And then the best, Rema and Penny Forbes to say Mr. Bones, more DKT boss about the Casapia, the Casa about music near the day. The Batia Trail more, the moment theory time, and not the next day, night practical.
Okay. Okay.
Before this media, I know you make a show, and no studios, no man studios there, 3 out of 4. Hey, Juman Kwan, you remember how to do a party through now. On my feature or boys in your motto, you are near really doing as an EP. I'm a voice now.
Alright.
You take a credit in your idea of what
very, very creative and innovative. Yeah, Brenna, but I hope we are seeing Tubani live soon. So you hope you say Tubani live, let's have a back soon.
Oh, Charlie, back live, Tubani live, because I mean, my heart is going to be hold you know. Because we'll go on my book you. Now, I feel now, oh, say, we'll go also be live, you know, for upload it, and you know, online. Now, I feel that how YouTube near the idea. What I say? It's the contract near the idea, but when you are, you know, contract I'll be signing. And Sana, yes, I know more.
That's it. That's it. Pure Khendibeatz through studio. Hanom pa. Everything. I know. Say definitely you'll find time to have. All right. When you say you been your time, now you didn't come more.